Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Project Popshake franchise business ideas. Project Popshake, established in December 2019, is a collaboration between the brands Piccole Healthy Ice Pops and Just Blend Frozen Bars. Their goal is to share happiness with every bite or sip of their products. To ensure the expansion of their business in strategic locations, Project Popshake has started accepting franchise partners to accommodate more areas and eventually become the unique and leading brand in the Philippines. Project Popshake continuously develops new products and enhances its menu to satisfy and meet the demands of their customers for a healthy, indulgent, natural, and refreshing snack and desserts. For the company mission: to promote, educate, and provide people with a healthy and delicious alternative to overly processed, sweet, and unhealthy food by producing high-quality popsicles. For the company vision: to be a household name and the brand of choice in the frozen healthy dessert category in the Philippines and to Filipinos all over the world. For the Project Popshake products: Project Popshake are offering ice cream and ice pops, gelato pops, dipped and swirled in different sauces, shakes, and beverages that comes with different blended shake flavors and ice pops to choose from. Along with their main menu, they also offer do-it-yourself drinks and DIY ice pop sipping stations. Their beverages do not need ice and are prepared in less than 2 minutes and are mostly made from natural ingredients. For the drizzled and pops, they offer sweet and salty, mango graham, rocky road, super choco, K-pop, s'mores, breakfast club, sorbetes fiesta, butter pecan, and the healthy one. For the pop shake, they have soda pop float, root beer vanilla, Sprite mango, and Sprite strawberry. For the fruit pop shake, they have ube queso, watermelon melon, avocado vanilla, lemon Yakult, and mango watermelon. For the indulgent pop shake, they have cookies and cream strawberry, choco banana peanut butter, coffee chocolate, green tea matcha, and green tea matcha chocolate. For the healthy ice pops, they have juicy pops, milky pops, yogu pops, light pops, oat pops, deep pops, premium pops, specialty pops, and topper pops. For the benefits of franchising, they provide site selection, equipment and opening support, construction assistance, training assistance, store opening activation, online posting, hands-on support, business review, and local marketing. For the franchise package fees, for the unit franchise package is worth 900,000 pesos, while for the area franchise package, it is worth 2.25 million pesos with the rights of 3 outlets. For the franchise package inclusions: use of trademarks, site approval, training for franchisee and staff, procurement program, opening assistance, operations manual on loan, and research and development. For the franchise terms, the initial term for the unit franchise is 6 years, while for the area franchise is 8 years. For the renewal terms, the unit franchise is 6 years, while for the area franchise is 8 years. For the other requirements, renewal fee is 50% per unit per area of the franchise. For the bond, 50,000 pesos per unit per area franchise. While for the royalty fee, it's 3% of the gross sales per unit per area franchise. And the minimum required space for the store is 25 square meters. For the franchise procedure, number 1, fill up the confidential questionnaire with your letter of intent. Number 2, they will review your application. Number 3, they will be invited to discuss the franchise details. Number 4, they will present you with the franchise disclosure information. Number 5, your proposed location will be visited and thoroughly checked. Number 6, the franchise agreement can now be executed. Number 7, outlet setup and staff training will commence. Number 8, they will provide pre-opening assistance. And number 9, congratulations on your grand opening. For the contact details, you may contact Picolay Healthy Ice Pops with the address 103A Pitwasan Boulevard, Quezon City, Philippines. For international, you may call +632-771-99345 for their mobile number. You may also contact them on their mobile number. For Globe, +63917-1799-345. While for Smart, +639-209-722960. You can send them an email at info@picolayhealthyicepops.com. You may also visit their website at www.projectpopshake.com. You can also visit their FB page at Project Pop Shake. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Project Pop Shake's franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.